Welcome to Tool Mentorship. If you're serious about woodworking, then you know how crucial it is to have perfectly smooth and straight edges for your projects. That's where a benchtop jointer comes in handy. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right jointer can make a massive difference in your work quality. But with so many options on the market, it can be hard to decide which one to pick. That's why we've done the research for you. In today's video, we'll explore the best benchtop jointers you can buy on Amazon right now, including the Craftsman 10-amp CME W020, Shopfox 6-inch W1829, Porter & Cable 6 variable speed PowerTech BJ600, and Grizzly Industrial G0725. These tools are perfect for achieving smooth edges and professional finishes, no matter your skill level. Make sure to stick around to the end because we'll give you the pros and cons of each jointer, helping you decide which one suits your needs best. And don't forget, we've added all the product links in the description box and pinned comment for you to easily check out these amazing tools. So if you're ready to take your woodworking to the next level, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's dive in. Craftsman 10-amp CME W020. The Craftsman CME W020 is a powerhouse designed for woodworkers who want precision and durability. Equipped with a strong 10-amp motor, this jointer can handle both soft and hardwoods effortlessly. It features a 6-inch cutting width, which is perfect for most woodworking tasks. The heavy-duty cast iron base ensures stability during operation, preventing any unwanted movement that could affect your cuts. One of the standout features is the 2-knife cutter head, which ensures a smoother finish and reduces tear out significantly. Plus, its adjustable fence makes it easy to handle bevel cuts for added versatility. Whether you're crafting furniture or working on decorative projects, the Craftsman CME W020 delivers consistent and professional results. Want to know more? Check the description box below for the product link and grab yours today to upgrade your woodworking game. Shopfox 6-inch W1829. Next on our list is the Shopfox W1829, a compact and reliable benchtop jointer. If you're working in a small workshop, this jointer is the perfect fit thanks to its space-saving design. Don't let its size fool you, it's packed with power. The 1.5 GP motor provides enough strength to handle tough woods while maintaining precision. It also features a 6-inch cutting width, a center-mounted fence for better stability, and a 2-knife cutter head that ensures smoother cuts. The adjustable fence allows you to make angled cuts with ease, adding versatility to your projects. For beginners or pros alike, the Shopfox W1829 is an excellent choice for achieving those perfect edges. Check the description box and pinned comment to learn more about this reliable tool. Porter & Cable 6-inch variable speed. If versatility is your top priority, the Porter & Cable 6-inch variable speed jointer has you covered. This jointer stands out with its variable speed control, letting you adjust the cutter head speed based on the material you're working with. It's perfect for handling a wide variety of wood types from soft woods to dense hardwoods. Its 6-inch width capacity is more than enough for most projects, and the center-mounted fence ensures straight and consistent edges every time. The lightweight but sturdy design makes it easy to move around your workshop while delivering professional-grade results. This is the jointer you need if you want flexibility without compromising performance. Don't forget to check the product link in the description for more details on the Porter & Cable variable speed jointer. PowerTech BJ600. The PowerTech BJ600 combines affordability with efficiency. This jointer is powered by a 1 GP motor, giving it enough power to tackle a range of woodworking projects. Its cast iron tables and adjustable fence provide a solid and stable surface, ensuring precision in every cut. One of the key features of the PowerTech BJ600 is its dust collection system, which keeps your workspace clean and free of debris. This jointer is ideal for small to medium woodworking tasks and delivers consistent results without breaking the bank. Check out the description box and pinned comment to grab the PowerTech BJ600 and take your woodworking projects to the next level. Grizzly Industrial G0725. Finally, we have the Grizzly Industrial G0725, a premium option for serious woodworkers. This benchtop jointer features a powerful 1.5 GP motor and a 6-inch cutting width, making it suitable for even the toughest materials. The precision machined cast iron tables and adjustable fence allow for accurate and stable operation, ensuring your projects come out flawless. The Grizzly G0725 also features a compact design, making it a great choice for workshops with limited space. Also features a remote. Whether you're crafting furniture or working on detailed woodworking pieces, this jointer is a reliable and professional-grade tool. Check the description box for the product link and get ready to experience the power of the Grizzly G0725. Thanks for watching our detailed review of the best benchtop jointers available on Amazon. Whether you're just starting out in woodworking or you're a seasoned pro, these jointers can help you achieve smoother edges and higher quality results. Don't forget to check the description box and pin comment for the product links to find the perfect jointer for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of top tools and gadgets. Which jointer are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.